I'm gonna fix my lawnmower blade. So the lawnmower blade is broken. I'm gonna try to fix it. So every time I cut the grass, I mow the lawn, it be giving me some issue. So let's see. I'm gonna take it apart in order to fix it. I have a 17 plus connectors, and I'm gonna unscrew the blade. Sorry. Okay, this fit. Gonna unscrew it. Just the blade. So yeah, I hope the video helped. Wow. Look at the blade. You see? The lawnmower blade, look at it. This is fine, but this is bent. So when you cut the grass, or in mow the lawn, this part is not cutting the grass, only this part, so it takes you longer to mow the lawn. So I've had this issue, so I'm gonna try to unbend it. I'm gonna try to unbend it, see if it works. Okay, in a second, I'm gonna find something to beat this thing up, so to unbend it. Okay, so let's see. I don't wanna lose this screw. Let me put this screw back, so I know exactly where it is. I can put the blade back, and so now I need to find a hammer. Find a hammer. I should have a hammer in my box. I will find a hammer. Here's some. Yay, I found the hammer. I found the hammer. So let's see if I can straighten it. Look at this. I hope it's not broken. Wow. The cut. I think I'm gonna have to order a new blade. Yeah. Look at this. Look at the blade. It's not bent anymore, but it's broken. So I'm gonna have to order a new blade for this lawnmower, but I'm still gonna use it until then. Look at this, it's not even cut it correctly, but at least it's not bent anymore. Yeah, It's not bent, but it's broken. Let's see if I can. Okay, now it should be easy to put it back. We're gonna put the blade back. Get this spool. So like this. This thing is heavy. Screw it a little bit. Oh my goodness. Doing this in my garage, that's why it's so dark. Oh, where's my hammer? Get my screw. Okay, so I put it back. I put the blade back. So now wasn't that bad, except I have to get a new blade for this. So I try to start it.